Hey y'all, I don't usually do these because I think they're kind of stupid, and I think this is stupid. But regardless, we're going to do an unboxing video on the TV Roamio OTA, or over the air, with Tivo service included for free. The service, not the Tivo. Anyway, we just picked this up at Best Buy. We picked this up at Best Buy, and the only Best Buy that had this was one up in Dedham, Massachusetts, which is, if anybody knows Massachusetts, it's, you know, pretty expensive to live up in Dedham, Massachusetts. But anyway, it was the only Best Buy near me, and it was 26.6 miles away, and here we go. We open up the box, and we have, start here. Let's start here. A lot of stuff to read, too much stuff to read, and it's a poster. Oh my God. There we go. Nice simple instructions for the man in me. Okay, 1, do that. 2, do that. Where's 3? 3, we gotta do that. 4, do that. 5, do that, and 6, do that. So it's get all your cables together, connect it to the antenna, connect it to the internet, connect it to your TV, plug in your power adapter, and complete the setup guide. Anyway, that comes in there. This comes in there. Power adapter comes in there. Yeah, and the thumbs up. Tivo. Pretty standard remote. Comes with Chang Chong batteries. I would imagine that that's the power supply. Good guess on my part. It is the power supply. And of course, this is in the bag, which is literally just a box with a hard drive in it. Your antenna, your digital audio. Hold on a minute. Let's get this out of the bag. We got to do this with 2 hands. So here we are, the front of the Tivo. We got that out of the bag. And the back. So our antenna in, digital audio in, a nice little Tivo logo, HDMI out, AV out, I guess, Ethernet if you're still using an Ethernet cable, some USB ports, and an external storage, which is an eSATA, and then of course the power in. So we're going to set this up and see what it looks like on the TV setup. Alright, we have set up the Tivo, wired it all up. As you can see, it's on our TV, and let's see what we need to do here. We need to say that we're in the United States. Begin guide setup for the United States. The old contract that, you know, if you don't agree to the terms, might as well bring it back to the store. Use the numbers on the remote to enter a zip code. This will be used to get your local programming guide and information. Okay, so we're going to enter these numbers. How do you receive? Antenna only. We are going to go wireless. Begin wireless setup. Okay, we've entered our password, IP address, typical, home network. Tivo box will not connect to Tivo services and get information needed in the next steps guide setup. This will take approximately 3 to 5 minutes. A critical service update is available. The connection will take significantly longer. In this episode, we've unboxed. So what we had for what was in the box, again, this Tivo includes a lifetime Tivo service, so we don't have to get nickel and dimed on a monthly service. The antenna setups are in the previous videos. I don't know how this Tivo is picking up those channels though, because it didn't go through a scanning channels. How does it get the information of what channels we're picking up and we're not picking up? Because the TV alone, I know, picks up 68 channels over the air for free. Okay guys, while we're waiting, still loading, this is like 10 minutes later. I'll show you this. It's TASCAM DR-cx right now. I'm still using the Sony sound. We're going to go to switch back and forth on the continuing test of this DR-cx. As you can see, I have nothing plugged into the top of it, so no lapel mic. It's just picking up from these two speakers. So I'm going to put it right next to the camera. So the sound right now is coming from the Sony, and right now we'll switch over to the DR-cx, the TASCAM DR-cx, and see what picks up sound better and what the sound quality is. I'm going to leave it running, and I'm going to just let this do what it needs to do. Alright, don't mind the dog because he's old. And he just woke up and he must have had a bad dream or something. So I did a channel scan, doing this now, another 10 to 20 minutes. Says it's done, it's organizing. Says it's done. Tivo box has no information about TV programs there and today. We'll get started. Within a few hours, Tivo box should have enough for 2 weeks of programming information. Holy shit. Congratulations, guided setup. Press the Tivo button. This button will allow you to Tivo Central, where you can access all your Tivo features and enjoy your Tivo box. I got a big arrow.
Made all across more.
Oh, here we go.
Chili. For your convenience, you can even put it in. And these are the spices that I put in: allspice, cinnamon.
So
cloves,
there's.
And of course, the garlic, that extra support.
There's a guide.
The aroma of the spices and of the oranges really come out. So I think it's ready. And this would stay on the stove with a ladle. And whoever came in got a cup and a pour of.
Looks like we got some decent
just like
decent amount of TV that the Tivo
Right.
picked up.
Okay, that's a good Russian traditional drink. So, we'll to the
That's it. Hopefully this this portion doesn't get copyrighted. But yeah, it looks like it's working. And recording, we still got to figure that out. But
great memories. And you know, there was
for now,
fireplace.
I'm gonna play around with this a little bit. Bring this volume down. We still got to set up the TV. For now, as always, guys, salute to the troops. Please recycle, reuse, and peace and love.